Have you ever heard of AI? What is AI and how can it help you every day? Well, AI stands for artificial intelligence, and it's basically computer programs that are designed to help people with everyday tasks. They use advanced technology to understand and respond to your needs, making your life easier and more efficient. One way AI can help you every day is by personalizing your experience. AI algorithms can analyze your preferences and behaviors to provide you with customized recommendations for things like shopping, entertainment, and even healthcare. For example, AI-powered shopping assistants can help you find the best deals on products based on your interests and budget. While AI-driven healthcare systems can offer personalized wellness plans and monitor your health in real time, another way AI can help you every day is by automating routine tasks. AI-powered tools can handle repetitive tasks such as scheduling appointments or making reservations, freeing up your time for more important matters. AI-enabled devices like smart home assistants can also automate household tasks such as controlling the temperature or playing your favorite music. This not only makes your life more convenient, but it also allows you to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. AI can also help you make better decisions. AI-powered analytics tools can process vast amounts of data and provide you with valuable insights to help you make informed choices. For example, AI-driven financial management apps can analyze your spending habits and provide recommendations for saving money. AI-based legal tech solutions can help lawyers and paralegals research case law and prepare legal documents. By leveraging AI-powered tools, you can improve the quality of your decision-making and gain a competitive edge in various aspects of your life. But that's not all. AI can help you every day in countless other ways. AI-powered language learning apps can help you translate languages and communicate more effectively. AI-driven customer service chatbots can provide instant support and resolve issues quickly. And AI-based entertainment platforms can recommend movies, TV shows, and music that match your taste. In fact, AI is already being used in many industries to improve products and services. For example, AI-powered cameras are being used in self-driving cars to detect objects and make decisions. AI-driven healthcare systems are being used to diagnose diseases and develop new treatments, and AI-based financial systems are being used to detect fraud and manage risk. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge and transform the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, it's important to learn about AI and how it can help you every day.